Hey guys, today I want to show you how I photograph these drinks. These drinks is like drink what I prepare for the test before I will be shoot. Here we have all setup already done, but I want to show you how we set up everything, do new drinks because the glass is empty, set up the camera, work with nice background and do interesting photo with easy way. Let's go! First, maybe focus on background, what we choose, lights, how I set up camera, set up the drink glass, then this drink. Later, we will be styling this drink step by step. I hope I do this good because I do first time something like that, styling the drinks from a long time. Okay, I left this somewhere and we can jump. And first things is we have background. I show you what I have the background. I will use one background today. It's vinyl background, company Pix backdrop, perfect big size is 66 centimeters for 100 centimeters. I use the tape and I install on the wall, use the tape. You can use the blue tack if you want, it's easy. I leave little space from the wall to the table, to the product what I have photography, because I want leave that nice space. Its photo will be looks better. And now I show you how I set up the glass. This is the setup. I have here some wood, white wood, and glass is without drink yet because we will be styling this glass together step by step. Another thing is background here, and the photo will be from bottom. I take with this position. That's far. Is the background is the best. I show you how looks now the setup with camera, everything. I have here my camera on tripod because it's more easy to use all the time. When I start to use the tripod, I use the tripod now on the camera. We have the cable, orange cable. What you see here is connection for the laptop. When we take the shoot, straight away I see how looks my glass on the photo. And like see now, it's too bright the lights. Position the lights is no important now. What we want to know, looks good, the background is okay, direction, the position camera is okay or not. I won't go with camera a little down because I see it's too up and don't looks good on the photo because I want to see only glass and the back, not the top. Now when I take shoot, I check how looks. Yes, this is the position what I want have on this shoot direction. Another things, I show you the setup what I have here on the camera. We have here ISO 200, aperture I have 11, maybe I little change for smaller, and the 20 I have shutter speed, but I think I changed the aperture, but looks everything that's here. This is the laptop as glass with the lights, but now we will be use and set up the lights. The lamp is artificial light, we use only lamp without any modificator the lights. That is the best for this shoot. And I want to have little shadow on my product front and bright this glass. We'll see. We first set up the lights now. Next we will be styling the glass. What I want to achieve here have nice shadows, strong shadows. Now it's nothing. We don't have the lamp. We will be work with the lamp to achieve this and make more bright. We'll see. Like you see, coming closer to the lamp, I have shadows here. That's I want to achieve. That's what I want to achieve here. Have the shadows. Okay, short shadows. I don't want too big. I achieve perfect shadows and I show you lamp. Stay here. Here, the position the lamp to the glass. I'm happy on the photo looks that. I want to styling now the glass and I show you how I do this. I don't know if it's good or not. If it's something wrong, leave in the comment. Please correct me. I will be read all comment. This was the drink what we want to looks like in this glass. This was the first time when I done. What we use? I have like blood orange. I cut here the part and I have one slice that's big what will be go for the glass. Another is something juice for water, the red. Normally I drink this with water, sparkling water. And we have the ice because I want to use that small ice. That was my idea for this shoot. I have spoon extra for and with decoration with mint. I left the mint in the cold water. What opens so beautiful that we use the same mint. I buy a lot of mint yesterday for this shoot, but we use this mint. I think is perfect. First, don't forget about gloves. This is important when you photography with the glass. Doesn't matter what you photography. The gloves is perfect because easy you can do mark on the glass and later don't looks good. First, what we do, we put little this juice, maybe little too much. I don't know. We'll see how it looks. I do this second times. That's I'm no perfect. Now we put the ice. Should be maybe bigger ice, but I want that crush ice. Use this for this shoot really. Take little time. I'm sorry, I'm not good with this. Maybe, you know, of course I'm not good. I tried to put the blood orange one side. That was my idea. We'll see. Maybe more the ice. Now, don't want to go for the glass. I don't know why. My idea have like nice color bottom and top, different color the drinks. That is my idea. We'll see what will be. Looks everything. Now we should put water. Use the same glass spoon. What I see on video, different video, you should use the spoon and a little throw the water with the spoon. I don't know what work that, why or what, but show that the idea for this. I think is good. Looks nice for me, guys. I'm so happy like small kids because I do this first time, really second times today. And now we have the amazing mint. Of course we can cut this mint, the bottom, the leaves, little. But I want to let this, the top is more important for me. Show on the photo like mint exists here. The with the drinks, but this row I want to go down, not oh, that's have this mint here, and this orange maybe little up. Dobra, I'll check how looks from your perspective. Now we set up the as drink. We'll see how work everything. This I try not. Dobra. We'll see how looks in the camera. First, what I see, I have wrong position. The red orange must be this direction. That's what you see, and the mint must be around opposite. Looks okay. I do the shoot, but I am not satisfaction how I see the lights, everything. The mint don't looks good. I must little work with the mint. I hope I done this quickly. And maybe remove the part at the bottom. Put the mint here. We'll see how it looks now, the shoot. I like the shoot. But I think I move little camera up. But I have small shadows. I want to work on these shadows here. I have small, very small the shadows. Let's remove the light. I like the background, everything, how look. I love like looks the glass, the background, everything set up, but I don't like this part is too dark. I think I put here the whiteboard opposite and take the shoot with whiteboard. We'll see how looks everything. Definitely this part looks better, more bright when I use the whiteboard. Yes, definitely. Without and this is completely different looks the shoot. I try little different something. It's the same position the drinks, but I camera put little down, more down, and will be little different. The same the lamp. I move the lamp the front little, and I have more bright the photo than I have before, and I don't need to put here the whiteboard now. I take the shoot and I show you how looks. Oh, definitely looks completely different. More bright the photo. Background here can be little up, but it's beautiful shoot. Before was more dark, now is more bright the photo with the same parameter. It was really pleasure for me to photograph this drink, and with the blood orange, two colors different. I styling good or not, I don't know, like how styling properly the drinks. I still learn so many things in photography, especially with the drink photography, because it's completely different than food photography. But what I want to say, we done easy setup here, like with one light, one background, one product, one props, camera. That's it. This was all about working with background, working with shadows, understand how work the lights, everything. That you always can achieve that stunning photo. Now it's time for editing. This is another skills what you must to learn, and I learn all the time the same.